Hello everyone! I've put together some great warm-ups for you as we head into this new year. This is a great time to take stock of your goals and to recommit to a stronger vocal practice. Let's start as always with a moment of attention to our alignment, sitting or standing tall and releasing any undue tension. Take a moment to take a couple of natural full breaths, focusing on the sensation of expansion around the midsection and making sure that the shoulders stay free and released. Breathing in now and releasing to a yawn sigh. And again. Let's glide down on a coo sound like this. Coo. Go. Coo. Coo. Let's try a full octave glide. We will do this descending and ascending like this. Try it. Let's move on to a hmm-y sound. This will help create a focused sound and then allow us to open up into more resonance. It sounds like this. Go. Back to an E sound now for the feeling of vocal efficiency. Let's sing the following pattern. D, try it, go. D, D, Opening up to an aw sound, let's try. Ma. Aim for a sense of expansion, just kind of an easy sense of yawn stretch in the back of the mouth, and make sure that the tongue stays relaxed without pulling back. Here we go. Ma, ma, Let's try this pattern. Za, za, za. We'll start this one a little bit lower and work up. Split octaves as you need to, and let's make sure that the Z sound allows for plenty of airflow. Za, za, here we go. Za, za, za. 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 Za, za, For this next exercise, the lyric is "we sing," and the pattern sounds like this. We sing, we sing, we sing. Let's aim to allow a sense of building energy or spin on the highest note, which we'll hold for just a moment. We sing, we sing, we sing. 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 Thank you so much for singing with me today. Keep up the great work, and we will see you next time. Sit. You want to say Happy New Year to the people?